Welcome to Steno Dictation by PT. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to support the measures proposed for the improvement of the judicial system in our country. It is a well known fact that justice delayed is justice denied. Today, our courts are burdened with a massive backlog of cases, and the common man has to wait for years to get a final decision. The legal framework needs a complete overhauling to meet the demands of the modern era. We must ensure that the poor and the marginalized sections of society have equal access to justice. The government has taken several steps to computerize the courts and introduce e-filing systems. This is a commendable move toward transparency and efficiency. However, technology alone cannot solve the problem. We need more judges and better infrastructure in our district courts. The lower judiciary is the foundation of our legal system, and if the foundation is weak, the entire structure will collapse. Therefore, more funds must be allocated for the training of judicial officers and the construction of courtrooms. Furthermore, the legal language used in the courts is often too complex for an ordinary citizen to understand. There is a need to simplify the procedures so that people do not feel intimidated by the law. Alternative dispute resolution mechanisms like Lok Adalats and mediation centers should be encouraged at every level. This will not only reduce the burden on the higher courts but also provide a faster way to settle disputes. The spirit of the Constitution lies in providing speedy and affordable justice to all. Moving on to the issue of administrative reforms, I would like to emphasize that the civil services play a crucial role in the implementation of government policies. A transparent and accountable bureaucracy is essential for the success of any democracy. We must promote a culture of meritocracy and integrity. Corruption at any level of administration is a hurdle to the progress of the nation. It is high time we introduce stricter laws to deal with those who misuse their public office for personal gains. Education and health are two other sectors that require our immediate attention. Without a healthy and educated population, we cannot dream of becoming a global power. The government should focus on improving the quality of primary education in rural areas. Similarly, the public healthcare system needs to be strengthened to provide free and quality treatment to the needy. Private hospitals are often beyond the reach of the common man, making it the duty of the state to ensure health security for every citizen. Sir, the development of infrastructure like roads, railways, and power is the backbone of our economy. While we have made significant progress in these areas, much more needs to be done. The rural urban divide is still very prominent. Farmers are the backbone of our country and they must get fair prices for their produce. We need to invest in modern agricultural techniques and better irrigation facilities. Small scale industries also need support as they generate the maximum employment opportunities for our youth. The protection of the environment is another challenge that we face today. Climate change is a reality, and we are witnessing its impact in the form of unpredictable weather patterns and natural disasters. We must balance industrial growth with environmental conservation. The use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power should be promoted. Every citizen must realize their responsibility toward keeping the surroundings clean and green. Sustainable development is the only way forward for a better future. I would also like to touch upon the importance of women's empowerment. Women constitute half of our population, yet they are often denied equal opportunities. Safety and security of women must be our top priority. We need to create an environment where women can work and move freely without any fear. Providing quality education and vocational trainings to girls will make them financially independent and socially strong. Their participation in the decision making process is vital for the holistic growth of society. In conclusion, I would like to say that the journey toward becoming a developed nation is long and full of challenges. But with collective effort and a strong political will, we can overcome every obstacle. We must uphold the values of democracy, secularism, and equality. Our diversity is our strength, and we must stay united despite our differences. The progress of the country depends on the hard work and dedication of every individual. Let us work together to build a strong and prosperous India. The youth of this country are its greatest assets. They are full of energy and innovative ideas. We must provide them with the right platform to showcase their talent. Skill development programs should be linked with industry requirements to ensure that our graduates are employable. Entrepreneurship should be encouraged so that our youth become job creators instead of job seekers. The future of India belongs to the younger generation, and it is our duty to guide them in the right direction.